Today we shall discuss about capacitance of three-phase line with unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. Okay, three conductors. First you can see here A, B, C. Okay, three conductors. Distance between the conductors is unsymmetrical. Between A and B is D12. Between B and C is D23. Between C and A is D31. The position what I marked is 1, 2, 3 will be constant. Okay, only the position of conductors will change. For figure 1, we shall write the equation. Okay, VAB1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln DAB divided by DAA plus QB ln DBB divided by DBA plus QC ln DCB divided by DCA. Okay, now you see distance between A and B is D12. Substitute here. Okay, distance between A means that is internal. Okay, that is radius. Next plus QB ln distance between BB means internal, so radius. Distance between B and A is D12. Substitute plus QC ln distance between CB and CA. Distance between CB is D23. Distance between C and A is D31. Substitute. Okay, D23, D31. Next, change the position. Okay, now A is in first position. Change to second position. Then for figure 2, here you will get A. Now for B, change the position from 2 to 3. Then here you will get B. Okay, here you will get B. Then C position you will get change. Okay, C position changed from 3 to 1. Then you will get here. Okay, the distance between the this will be same. Okay, D23 D31. This will be same, only conductor position will change. Okay, now VAB, you can take this equation for three equations. Okay, this formula you can take for three equations. Okay, VAB2, by seeing figure 2 you should write. Okay, VAB2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon open bracket QA ln DAB divided by DA. This equation only I have written here. What is the changes you can see? The distance between A and B is, now you can see distance between A and B is D23. That is what you mention here. You can see here the distance between B and A is D23. Next, the distance between CB. What is the distance between CB? D31. Okay, the distance between the DCB is equal to D31. The distance between the CA is, the distance between the C and A is D12. That is what you mention here. Okay, next same for figure 3. Now you, by seeing the figure 2, you change the position of conductor. Now it is in position 2, change to position 3. Now you will get A in position 3. Next, B is in position 3. You will get B is in next position 1. Next, C is in position 1. You will get in position 2 for figure 3. Okay, this is the figure 3. The distance will be same. Okay, only position of conductor is changed. Now you write the equation. Okay, this will be same for three equations. You only distance will be changed. Okay, distance between A and B, what it is? Distance between A and B is D31. That is you need to substitute. Okay, here also you will get same. Next, the distance between DCB is, distance between C and B is D12. That is what I have mentioned here, D12. Next, the distance between C and A is D to 3. That is what you mention here. Okay. Next, as it is, next you can continue VA plus VB plus VAB1 plus VAB2 plus VB3 divided by 3. 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon open bracket QA ln D1 2 D2 3 D3 1 divided by R cube plus QB ln R to the power of 3 divided by D1 2 D2 3 D3 1 plus QC ln D23 into D31 into D12 divided by D31 into D12 into D23. Okay, that is what you will get if you add the 3 equation. Okay, after adding the 3 equation, you can see here next 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon open bracket QA ln. You can see here for QC ln d to 3 numerator and denominator is same, so that it will get cancelled. Ln 1 is 0, so QC for the next step we won't consider. Okay, that will be 0. So QA ln d12 into d23 into d31 divided by r to the power of 3 plus QB ln r to the power of 3 divided by d12 into d23 into d31. Next 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon. Okay, I have divided 6 into 2 into 3. Okay, 1 by 3 I have taken the inside. Okay, 1 by 3 QA ln d12 d23 d31 divided by r to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 QB ln r to the power of 3 divided by d12 d23 d31. Okay, next 1 by 3 you can see 1 a log b, if it is there we can write it as log b to the power of a. Okay, that is what I have done here. QA ln b to the power of a. Okay, d12 d23 d31 divided by r to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Same for QB ln r to the power of 3 divided by d12 d23 d31 whole to the power of 1 by 3. That take inside cube root you will get. Okay, cube root for numerator and denominator. Okay, next that we take it as d equation r cube root of r cube, your cube get cancelled, so you left with r. Okay, d equation is equal to cube root of d12 d23 d31. VAC we can write it a same equation for VAC also. Okay, VAB what you have written here, you can write it for VAC is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln D equation divided by R plus QC ln R divided by D equation. Reverse. Okay, instead of QB we will write QC. Okay, next we have VAB plus VAC is equal to 3 times of VAN. Okay, 3 times of VAN is equal to what you got, VAB plus VAC, add that 2 equation, you will get 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon 2 times of QA ln D equation divided by R plus QB ln R divided by D equation plus QC ln R divided by D equation. Take common ln R divided by D equation. Okay, 2Q, what you will get if you take common, you will get QB plus QC. Okay, instead of QB plus QC you substitute a minus QA. I have written for balanced circuit QA plus QB plus QC is equal to 0. QB plus QC we can write it as minus QA. Okay, if we substitute minus QA ln R divided by D equation, but what it is there before, 2 QA ln D equation divided by R. If we change the denominator to numerator, okay, D equation divided by R we want. If we change the numerator denominator, then the sign of the sign will be changed. Then 2 QA ln D equation divided by R plus QA ln d equation divided by r you will get. Then that addition you will get 3 qa ln d equation divided by r. Okay, I have written directly. You next, VAN is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln D equation divided by R. CAN is equal to QA divided by VAN. If you substitute VAN, then you will get 2 pi epsilon divided by ln into ln D equation divided by R, farad per meter. Thank you.